Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you the first stoichiometry calculus that is about mole to mole. Mole to mole means that we're going to be given one amount in moles and we're going to be asked to find another one also in moles. To begin with this, we need to check the equation of our reaction and to check if it is balanced. In this case we have 2 potassiums on the left, 2 potassiums on the right, 4 hydrogens on the left, 4 hydrogens on the right, 2 oxygens on the left and 2 oxygens on the right. So that means that our equation is balanced and we can proceed. The problem says, how much hydrogen is produced if only 0.04 moles of potassium is used? Let's start analyzing the question. How much hydrogen is produced means that we don't know how much, so that means that this part is going to be our unknown. 0.04 moles of potassium is used, so that means that is something that I know, so this is going to be classified as our known. Then we're going to use the same pattern for all these type of calculus. This pattern consists of amount of known, then it's going to be a fraction, and at the end we're going to have the amount of unknown. The amount of known will be taken from the information from the problem. Then the fraction that goes in the middle will be represented by a mole ratio. The mole ratio is going to be taken as was explained in one of the tutorials. And this information comes directly from the equation. Then the amount of the unknown will be our result, and it represents what is wondered, which means that we don't know. To begin solving the problem, we're going to check what is our amount of known, which is the 0.04 moles of potassium. These 0.04 moles of potassium are written in the beginning. Then we're going to leave this space for the fraction, for the mole ratio, and we're going to write what we're expecting to have at the end, which is the mole of hydrogen. Then in the fraction, we're going to write the unit and the element that we have in the beginning down. On this case will be moles of potassium. And up in the fraction, we're going to write what we have in the end, the unit and the element, that on this case would be mole of H2. The number that we're going to put in the fraction will be the coefficient that we find in the equation. On this case, for potassium would correspond the number 2, which means 2 moles of potassium, and for hydrogen would correspond the number 1, as we cannot see any number. Then, to solve the problem, we need to multiply what we have up and divide with what we have down. Multiplying 0.04 times 1 divided by 2 would give us an amount of 0.02 moles of H2, and this will be our result. I hope you got it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.